That looks really sore, Blaheen.
Bomba said she sprained her wings. And I have a bruise on my knee.
Such bad luck, Blaheen. The same day as Cuan's big birthday party.
Huh? Oh, maybe we shouldn't have a birthday kosher. It doesn't seem fair when you have to stay in bed, Blaheen. But it's your Brilla. And I spent ages planning the perfect kosher. You have to go, or I live. Slán!
Amazing! We've got a racetrack, a coconut toss, beach balls.
These games look air else. Which Claire should we try first?
A shell and spoon race. Race you, Cuan.
Alright, Glenn.
Well done, Cuan.
Mahua, Juan.
Thanks, Accorda. You know who loves these schlugoin? Blaheen.
How about another Cléha, Cuan?
Mahu, Amir, Mahu.
Wanna go, Cuan?
Oh, you know, Blaheen would be great at this.
Gotcha! Coming at you, Bamba.